Welcome to the advanced manufacturing facility of Labycare, a brand manufactured by SK Scientific and Surgicals. In this video, we showcase our bulk manufacturing process of high-performance biosafety cabinets and fume hoods, designed for laboratories, pharmaceutical industries, research centers, hospitals, educational institutions, and industrial applications. We showcase our bulk manufacturing of biosafety cabinets and fume hoods. From precision fabrication and HEPA filtration integration to quality testing and final assembly, every unit is engineered to deliver superior laboratory safety, contamination control, and reliable performance for customers worldwide. Large-scale production capacity, modern fabrication equipment, precision sheet metal processing, skilled technical workforce, strict quality control procedures, timely production and dispatch. Our biosafety cabinet models: Class 1 Biosafety Cabinet, Class 2 Type A2 Biosafety Cabinet, Class 2 Type B2 Biosafety Cabinet, Customized Biosafety Cabinets. Our fume hood models: Ducted Fume Hood, Ductless Fume Hood, Chemical Fume Hood, Laboratory Fume Hood, Customized Fume Extraction Systems. Our products are manufactured using advanced fabrication technology, precision engineering, and strict quality control standards to ensure maximum safety, contamination control, and reliable performance. From Class 1, Class 2A2, and Class 2B2 biosafety cabinets to ducted and ductless fume hoods, every unit is designed to meet international quality requirements. As a European CE certified and ISO certified manufacturer, we are committed to delivering innovative laboratory safety solutions with bulk production capability, custom manufacturing options, and worldwide supply support. Thank you for watching our biosafety cabinet and fume hood manufacturing presentation by Labycare, a brand manufactured by SK Scientific and Surgicals. We are committed to delivering high-quality laboratory safety equipment through advanced manufacturing, precision engineering, and strict quality standards. If you have any requirements for biosafety cabinets, fume hoods, laminar airflow units, clean air equipment, or other laboratory solutions, please feel free to contact us. Our team will be happy to assist you with customized solutions, bulk orders, and worldwide supply.